Everyone thinks the best-selling zero-turn mowers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different. Let's dig into the top choices landscapers trust for their own yards.
Product number 1, Zero Turn Bar. The Zero Turn Bar immediately caught my attention because of its unique single-handed steering design. Priced at $149, it's a solid addition for those who want to make mowing a breeze. If you want more control and comfort while mowing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The patented design allows for quick attachment and detachment, so you can easily switch between single and two-handed steering. This feature is perfect for tight turns around trees or maneuvering in tricky spots, which is something you might find frustrating with traditional mowers. Plus, with its built-in beverage holder, you can stay hydrated while you tackle your yard, making it a more enjoyable experience. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the benefits definitely outweigh the initial learning curve. If you're someone who values efficiency in mowing, this little tool might just save you a lot of time. This is perfect for you if you want a more comfortable mowing experience and have a medium-sized yard. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional mowing style without any additional gadgets. For $149, the value is pretty solid for what you get. Now, if the Zero Turn Bar's installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Sunseeker X7 Wireless Robot Lawnmower. The Sunseeker X7 really stands out with its innovative features, especially the all-wheel drive that can conquer slopes up to 35 degrees. At $2,699, I was curious if it could really handle tough terrains as claimed. If you want a truly hands-off mowing experience, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The X7 is designed for large properties, covering up to 0.75 acres. Imagine the freedom of having a robot mow your lawn while you relax. Its binocular 3D AI vision helps it navigate around obstacles seamlessly, which means no more worrying about running over your garden gnomes. The floating deck ensures a clean cut, returning clippings to nourish your lawn. Now, some people have mentioned that it's a bit pricey for residential use, but to counter that, if you have a larger yard and want consistent results without the hassle of manual mowing, that investment could really pay off over time. This is perfect for you if you have a large yard with complex landscaping. Skip this one if you have a small lawn or prefer hands-on mowing. For $2,699, you're paying for convenience and cutting-edge technology. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly smart mowing solution.
Product number 3, Teramo V1000 Robotic Lawnmower. The Teramo V1000 is intriguing with its wire-free operation and triple camera AI vision. Priced at $1,399, it caught my eye for those looking for smart tech without a hefty price tag. If you want a robotic mower that adjusts to your yard's unique layout, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to detect and avoid over 99% of obstacles means you can trust it to navigate around your garden without damaging anything. It can handle up to 0.3 acres of mowing and is perfect for complex gardens. With Smart App Control, you can customize mowing zones and heights, which is a game changer for maintaining that perfect lawn. Some users noted that it might struggle with larger yards, but here's the thing. If you have a smaller or more intricate yard, the V1000 shines with its precise navigation. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, hands-free mowing experience for a smaller yard. Skip this one if your lawn is larger than 0.3 acres. At $1,399, it offers great technology for the price. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact for smaller spaces, the next product on our list might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Sunseeker X3 Plus Robot Lawnmower. The Sunseeker X3 Plus is designed specifically for smaller yards, making it a great choice for suburban homes. Retailing at $1,239, it's a smart fit for lawns up to 0.3 acres. If you want something that can handle tight spaces, this could be your answer. Here's why this matters.
With its ride-on-edge cutting feature, you can get really close to fences and pathways, reducing the need for trimming afterward. Plus, the app-controlled virtual boundaries mean you can set it up exactly how you want without worrying about buried wires. The RTK navigation ensures it covers your yard efficiently without missing spots. However, some buyers found that it might not perform well in very complex gardens with many objects. But honestly, if your yard is more straightforward, this mower will save you time and effort. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller, simple yard and want to automate the mowing process. Skip this one if your yard has lots of obstacles or is larger than 0.3 acres. For $1,239, it's a good option for tech-savvy homeowners. Now, let's look at one last product that brings a classic touch to the robotic mowing scene.
Product number 5. Gardena G15102-34 Standard Mower. The Gardena G15102-34 is an intriguing option with its straightforward design. At a price point of $2,100, it's positioned for those who want quality without all the bells and whistles. If you want a reliable mower that just gets the job done, this might be worth considering. Here's why this matters. The robust construction means it's built to last, and you won't have to worry about complex navigation systems. While it doesn't have the advanced features of some robotic mowers, its simplicity may appeal to those who just want to mow without fuss. It's a solid choice for a straightforward mowing experience. That said, some users have pointed out that it lacks the smart features of newer models. But here's the thing. If you prefer a low-maintenance option and don't need a lot of tech, this could be a perfect match for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills mower for a medium-sized yard. Skip this one if you're looking for high-tech features or have a larger property. At $2,100, it offers solid value for traditional mower enthusiasts. To wrap it up, we looked at the zero-turn bar for ease, the Sunseeker X7 for large properties, the Teramo V1000 for smart tech, the Sunseeker X3 Plus for smaller yards, and the Gardena G15102-34 for simplicity. Each has its strengths, depending on your yard size and mowing style. Choose the one that fits your needs best.